Dude, I don't know. But there's like birds everywhere.
Oh my God, what is going on?
Everywhere. These aren't leaves, they're birds. Oh my God! It's everywhere!
Kevin,
It's everywhere!
Kevin, we can't even cross the street.
Yo, something mysterious is happening, guys. It's like the birds are attacking. They unleashed.
I want to step outside the car.
I want to just run through that mess.
Go run through it. No.
Oh, they're taking off! They are clearing. Whoa! That is nuts! What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is this? Yo, they're just shitting everywhere? Yo, that neighbor just got taken over, bro. It sounds like a fucking zoo in here or some shit. Yo, they are taking over. I don't... Yo, look at that pile of just blackness.
Oh my God. Look at the trees.
Saba, what you do? What kind of witchcraft is this? What kind of sorcery?
Oh my
Yo,
God.
you can hear that. Yo, that is nuts. We cleared that shit.